You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now?
What's that? Ubi? Ubi? Action footage right here. Tying it up like a champion. And, oh, that's from a bag. From a bag, huh? That's the one with the purple in it. That. It looks like ubi or whatever. No? Americano don't know. All right.
Okay na tuloy yan.
Oh.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh. Is that good? You're just pulling the stems off, Jackie? The stem? The stem? Oh, you throw away. Oh, what is it? Stem, yeah. See, remove the stem.
Okay.
See, that's what you do with spinach, too. But we don't do it. But fancy restaurant, you move the stem. That is exactly what you're doing, Jackie. Gabi.
Yeah.
Like evening. Gabi like evening.
No.
Like nighttime, right, Jackie?
No. That's gabi.
I know. Same thing. Gabi, Gabi. See, they are laughing at me now. So that's papaya?
Yeah.
20.
Okay. Jackie's gonna climb up the tree. Hey Jackie, that one. Okay.
Forty-five, 46,
Hey, be quiet.
67, 68, 69,
What the heck? Miko! Bad! Sound like a bomb.
74, 75, 76,
You're the coconut tree warrior, not mango tree warrior.
21.
And you, monkey girl.
56, 57, 88.
Covered up? Okay. Oh, because it's a ubi, you gotta cover it like that? Oh, purple?
Ilan ka na po, Victor? Diyan pa na yan, tutuan niya. Diyan pa na yan, akong tubig.
Oh yeah, you can smell it. Sweet. You can smell its sweetness. Go ahead, eat some. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Got two more.
Manay, grabe na naman irat ka yan.
Mm-hmm.
Grabe na naman.
This is how a native of the Philippines peels a mango. They just bite into it. Right, Jordan? Oh, back in the spud locker. You gonna do the Miko mango again?
Grabe dyan guys, madyan.
Miko, you gonna make the Miko mango again? Okay.
No. You had
No.
slice me.
What? Half the one.
She already.
Is it good? Mess her up? It's okay, I record you? We already know Jordan likes it.
Pag doon ha, tapos ilag na lang sa refrigerator. No. Dahil munjel, dahil maputik. Wash it first. I wonder if I wash it first. Sara. This is a fruit salad. Dapat nilagan mo pa ini ng pinya.
Yung nga ni pripidasuon ko.
Iyo, lagan mo ng pinya.
Fruit cocktail.
No, not fruit salad. This is a fruit salad with coconut.
Yeah, there's fruit cocktail in it.
Yeah.
Hindi mo nabin niya.
Hindi, sa'yo anong gagibon mo kaya?
Nalag sa ginataan na manok.
Oh, yeah. Tapos kasi inventory ako. Para pag isang yung pinagit pasto. Sige na, okay na ba ganyan? Sige na lang, tanganin. Kasi dahil pwede mag-ano kita, formal.
Filmers are being filmed. And here's Rika.
Hello!
How you doing, young Kuya?
Lord, sa pagsasaluhan po namin sa oras na ito, dalahan po namin magsilbing kalakasan ng aming pisikal na pangangatawan. Purihin ka, O Diyos, sa iyo po ang pinakamataas na papuri at salamat.
Crystal and her stepsisters. How are you? How are you? Good? Good? Here's my favorite niece.
One more time.
Hey, what about those guapos? Hey, Spencer, get up here. Get up here, Spencer.
Oh, isenda ito dyan.
Which one do I eat? I'm joking, I'm joking. How many bicolanas does it take to wash dishes?